In this video, let's learn how to remove your mobile lock screen password. You can see this mobile lock screen has a password. Let's learn how to remove this. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to lock screen option. In here you can see lock screen type. Click on it. Now you want to enter your password. After click on continue. In here you can select this swap option or none option to remove your lock screen password. Now I select swap option. Okay, now my mobile lock screen password is successfully removed. Let's check. You can see this mobile has not any lock screen password now.